Join me as I dive into the world of YouTube and challenge myself to uncover what the highest paying niches really are. If you're a creator looking to make a living on YouTube, you've probably wondered what types of content can bring in the big bucks. Understanding the highest paying niches can help you make informed decisions about the kind of content you create and who your target audience is. Choosing a niche that you're passionate about is one thing, but finding one that's also financially rewarding is a whole different story. Many creators struggle to balance their creative interests with the reality of making a living. It's tough to pour your heart and soul into content if you're not sure it can generate a steady income. The truth is, some niches are more profitable than others. For example, finance channels can be very lucrative, with popular channels like Dave Ramsey and The Graham Stephan Show attracting millions of viewers. Technology channels like Unbox Therapy and Marques Brownlee also rake in the views and dollars. And let's not forget about health and wellness channels like Yoga with Adriene and Fitness Blender, which have huge followings. These channels have figured out a way to create engaging content that resonates with their audiences. They often partner with brands, offer sponsored content, and sell merchandise or digital products. But what makes these niches so successful? A big part of it is the demand for their content. People are eager to learn about personal finance, stay up to date on the latest tech trends, or improve their physical health. According to recent data, the top 3 highest paying niches on YouTube are finance, technology, and gaming. These niches have huge audiences and attract top brands looking to advertise. The finance niche, in particular, is known for its high earning potential, with top creators earning millions from ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. Technology and gaming channels also bring in big bucks, with popular channels like Linus Tech Tips and PewDiePie commanding massive followings. The finance niche offers a range of content opportunities from investing advice to budgeting tips. Technology channels can focus on product reviews, tutorials, or industry news, and gaming channels can cover everything from walkthroughs to gear reviews. To sum it up, understanding the highest paying niches on YouTube can help you make smart decisions about your content strategy. By choosing a niche that you're passionate about and that has a strong audience and revenue potential, you can set yourself up for success on the platform. So, which niche do you think has the most potential? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you're interested in growing your YouTube channel, be sure to check out our video on 10 ways to increase your views and subscribers.